So obviously, XRP is not taking the bullish news well because we're not seeing any type of major increasing when it comes to this position. But XRP being relisted, Solana being relisted on Robinhood, and seeing the newer news around cryptocurrency to include micro futures on this platform. Honestly, this does create a little bit more excitement, a little bit more positivity, but we're just not seeing that transition into XRP's overall price. So let's talk about this. Let's talk about where XRP is today and just give you guys a little bit of news of what's going on. So if you guys could, make sure you hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. If you guys want to sign up for Robinhood, I think I have a link for Robinhood where I'll get a kickback if you guys sign up. But you can also utilize my platform that I've been using for a good amount of time for cryptocurrency in general, which has been BTCC. This is a platform that you can trade up to a 500x leverage. If you specifically use my link, you will get a 10% deposit bonus as well as extra bonuses up to $10,055. 40% lower trading fees, and again, you could trade up to a 500x leverage if you want to. I don't ever recommend it because it is very, very risky, and you want to limit the risk that you have there, but without risk, you don't have a massive reward. So you need to find what the best risk is for you and what makes sense for you. So feel free to check out that link. It's at the top of the description, and you can get started today. Now, XRP. Um, we've seen a lot of news here and there about XRP and where the price has gone and different things that are going on legally and throughout lawsuits, SEC and many back and forth opinions on what XRP is and what they're doing honestly. So seeing all of that is seeing some majorly positive news here and understanding that you have some new things that are launching brings bullish momentum to it. Now, the community sentiment is 88%. Honestly, it's always bullish. There's so much of a community here that you're always going to see that in the green as we do reach even higher and higher prices. But currently, it is sitting at $2.09. It is down by 1.5% on the day. It is at a $123 billion market cap. Volume is also down slightly, seeing $2.89 billion worth of volume, down by about 0.15%. We do have 59 billion coins in circulation, as well as 100 or let's say 99.98 billion coins in the total supply. So we're not seeing some major movement because I don't know. The markets just are the markets. Bitcoin, I believe, seems to be going the opposite way, but it might have changed in the last 30 minutes as I was doing more and more research. But in the last 7 days, it's down by 1.3%. But this is where we get all of this positivity from, even though we're seeing the negativity. Robinhood, right? Robinhood takeaways. Let's look at this. So Robinhood rolls out micro XRP Solana futures following token relisting. Robinhood, the leading fintech company providing a comprehensive financial services platform, announced Friday that it had added micro future contracts for XRP and Solana and Bitcoin Friday futures to its trading platform. And you see that post right there. The move expands Robinhood's crypto derivatives to 9 distinct offerings, with the total number of crypto assets available on its futures market to 4, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and two newly added options. And the two newly added options. Robinhood has already offered standard XRP and Solana futures on its platform that we have seen. The new micro XRP future contract features a contract multiplier of 2,500 with each tick of 0.0005, equivalent to $1.25 compared to $25 in the full size contract. The small contract size enables retail traders and those with more conservative risk profiles to trade XRP futures without high capital requirements. These crypto futures are cash settled and trade nearly 24 hours daily from 6 p.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern. The micro Solana future contract operates with a multiplier of 25, where each 0.5 tick move equals $1.25, offering traders more precise positioning sizes. Options and reduce exposure. Like its XRP counterpart, it is cash settled and follows the same trading schedule. The latest additions come after Robinhood Crypto announced the relisting of Solana, XRP, and Cardano on its U.S. trading platform in response to user demand for more diverse investment options. The firm also aims to attract new customers through diverse trading options, not just Robinhood. Several major derivatives platforms have expanded their crypto offerings under the new administration. Earlier this year, CME Group, Coinbase, added the crypto futures product, including contracts tied to XRP, Solana, signaling growing institutional demand and regulatory momentum in digital asset derivatives. Now, why is this interesting and why is this big, right? The reason why, right, you can look at this. One, it as you have more offerings and more ability for people to gather it, whether it's for low capital that you have in there, whether it's for the standard capital that you would have, whether it's just following the price in general and the price is, $2.09, or it's $1, or it's, whatever. You're offering it to more people, opening people's eyes to what that can be in the future, and knowing that that is an asset, and continuing to treat it as such, as well as looking at it as what it could be, which is a currency in the end. So seeing the value of what it is now, what it's going to be in the future, and opening the door to that value to everybody out there, it's saying, here's something that's going to be worth a lot. Here's something that's going to be positioning itself in the right areas, in the right places, and for the right use. And as you guys maybe not into it, you might have a better way of buying it or being a part of this community without actually, let's say, owning it on Coinbase or owning it outright. So this is honestly great for cryptocurrency, but again, you're just not seeing that activity over in the crypto market. It's just not a positive day. Bitcoin's down, Ethereum's down, XRP's down. Just a lot of things are down slightly, not down a crazy amount, but they are down here today as it's 3:50 p.m. East Coast right now. So obviously you can look at it and go, this should be positive news and we should be seeing major positivity. And that reaction will come as all of these things compound. So you have this that's positive, you have the next thing that's positive, you have the use cases that's positive, the partnerships that's positive, and all of those things, no matter if the market is negative or positive, are all compounding until you get to that point where XRP absolutely breaks out and is worth so much more in the end. So I want to know what you guys think about these micro XRP futures here. And if you think this is great for the market, or if you think that it's just not great for the market and it doesn't matter at this point. What matters is how they're going to eventually use XRP. Let me know your opinion in the comment section below. I'm always interested in your opinion, whether it's insanely negative or insanely positive or somewhere in the middle. I'm always interested to at least hear your opinion and hear you out. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you check out my links for BTCC, for Patreon, for Twitter, down below in the description. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.